Hello, first graders, second graders, excuse me. You need this page right here for lesson 18. Page 35, it has a turtle on the top there. Okay, make sure you got your right paper. Put your finger on the top. The special sounds at the top, say them with me. Splut and splash, S-P-L, spluh, spluh, spluh. Spur and sprain, S-P-R, spr, spr, spr. Scr and scream, S-C-R, scr, scr, scr. Squat and squeak, S-Q-U, squah, squah, squah. Now look at number 1 and get your pencil ready. Write spluh, spruh, scr, or squah to make a word. Look at the first one will be at. What do we want to put in there? Let's start with the first one at the top. Splat. Is that a word? Yes. Put S-P-L in the first blank to make the word splat. Moving over to the next one, we got ease. So do we want to say spleeze? No. Spurries? No. Scurries? No. Squeeze, squeeze, yes, S-Q-U, squah. Moving on to the next one, ape, splape, no. Sprape, no. Scrape, yes. Scrr, scrape, S-C-R. And the last one is ain. Right, 2 vowels. First one says the song sound. All right, so do we say splain? No. Sprain? Yes. Spur, sprain, S-P-R. All right. Now look at your remember box. Put your finger there. Remember. A declarative sentence makes a statement and ends with a period, like today is Tuesday. That's just making a statement. An interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark. Interrogative, ask a question. So, says number 2, read the sentences, add a question mark or a period at the end of each. Put your finger there on that first sentence. We went to the zoo. Is that asking a question? No, that's telling us something. So we're going to put a period there. Okay, move over, across the page. I saw a zebra and 2 lions. Period. Declarative. That is telling us something. That is a telling sentence. Now move back to the bottom again. Did you see lions? Did you see lions? That's a question. Put a question mark at the end. It's a what kind of sentence? Interrogative. And then move over. Mom and I ate lunch on the grass. Is that asking a question? No, that's just telling us something. Where Mom and I ate lunch on the grass, period, at the end. It's a declarative. Look at number 3. Answer the interrogative sentence with a declarative sentence. What is your name? We don't just put our name down there. We've got to make it into a sentence. So you've got to write the words, my name is, and then put your name, and then what goes at the end of that? A period. Okay, so you're going to write this on your paper. My name is, and fill in the blank and end it with a period. The answer to mine would be, my name is Miss McClaney. That's how we answer it in a complete sentence. All right, pause the video if you need to. All right, if you're back with me now, let's do our dictation puppy at the bottom. I am going to say a word, and you write the special sound. Okay? Clamp, clamp, clamp. All right. Should have written CL. Prop. 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 Okay. Should have written PR. Flame. 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 Easy peasy, right? FL. Moving across the page, I'm going to say the words, and you're going to write the initial blend. That means the first two sounds that you hear, and mark the vowel, okay? Because a blend will sometimes have a vowel. These have vowels. Okay, the word is weak. Weak. Right, so that blend is going to be W-E with a stick, because that's the first two letters, two sounds you heard. The next one is goat. Goat. Hope you got the right answer. G-O, goat. Easy peasy. All right, on the next one, underneath there, let's say our rules, if there is one vowel in a word, it usually says it's short sound. We mark it with a smile. Also, if there's two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound, the second one is silent. We mark it with a stick and a cross out. Remember that there are some words that the letters on the end are doubled. Remember when we hear S sound, Z sound, L sound at the end of a short word, F sound at the end of a short word is usually doubled. So don't forget that as I read these words out loud. All right, your first word is wax. 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 An easy peasy, three-letter word, wax. Your next word, ripe. 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 Your next word, sell. S-L. Sell. All right, your answer is sell. Remember our double L sound there. All right, flip this page over to the back. Please listen to the instructions. Match the special sound with the correct word. Circle the special sounds, mark the vowel. You see how they did the first one for you, k in black, CK. There's no other words with the CK there. So then you circle the two special sounds in that word. You mark the vowel. So you have 3 boxes of those to do. Number 2, mark the circle under D for declarative and the circle under I for interrogative. Place a period or a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay? So looking at the first one together, move your finger down. Moses loved God. Is that a question or telling? That's telling us. So we're going to color in the circle under the D, put a period at the end. Color in the circle after D, put a period at the end. Move down to the next one. Will Ben have a pet frog? Will? Okay, that sounds like a question, doesn't it? Will Ben have a pet frog? Question mark at the end. Color in your circle under I for interrogative. And you can do the rest of those by yourself. Now right this second though, go down to number 3. Draw lines to match the special sound with the picture. No problem there. Number 4, circle the rhyming words. Look at number 4. Look at the first green box, the first 3 words there. Brick, stick, smell. Which ones rhyme? Brick, stick, because they end in the same sound. Go over to the next row. Drive, drip, skip. Drip, skip, because they end with the same sound. Do the rest of those on your own.